वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तो वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
उक्तानुक्तदुरुक्तानां चिन्ता यत्र प्रवर्तते
तानुक्तादुरुक्तानां चिन्ता यत्र प्रवर्तते
तं ग्रन्थं वार्तिकं प्रागुः वार्तिकज्ञामनीषिणः।
तं ग्रन्थं वार्तिकं प्राहुः वार्तिकज्ञामनीषिणः।
प्रत्यया शिवसूत्राणि आदेशा आगमस्तथा
प्रत्यया शिवसूत्राणि आदेशा आगमस्तथा
धातुपाठो गणपाठ उपदेशाः प्रकीर्तिताः।
धातुपाठो गणपाठा उपदेशाः प्रकीर्तिताः।
तत्तृतीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पाठः।
तृतीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः।
प्रत्ययः
प्रत्ययः
परश्च
परश्च
आद्युदातश्च
आद्युदात्तश्च
अनुदातौ सुप्पितौ
अनुदातौ सुप्तौ
गुप्तिष्किद्भ्यः सन्
उक्तिचिकिद्भ्यः सन्
मान् बदधांशान्भ्यो दीर्घश्चाभ्यासस्य
मां बददांशाभ्यो दीर्घश्चाभ्यासस्य
धातोः कर्मणसमानकर्तृकादिच्छायां वा
धातोः कर्मणः समानकर्तृकादिच्छायां वा
सुप आत्मनख्य च
उप आत्मनः च
काम्यच्च
काम्यच्च
उपमानादाचारे
प्रमाणादाचारे
अधिकरणाचेति वक्तव्यम्।
अधिकरणाचेति वक्तव्यम्।
कर्तृक्यं सलोपश्च
कर्तुः किं सलोपश्च
सर्वप्रातिपदिकेभ्यः क्विब्बा वक्तव्यः।
सर्वप्रातिपदिकेभ्यः क्विबा वक्तव्यः।
दृशादिभ्यो भुव्यच्वेर्लोपश्च हलः
वृषादिभ्यो भुव्यच्युर्लोपश्च हलः
लोकितादिडाज्व्यक्यश
लोहितादिडाज्भ्यः क्यश
कष्टाय क्रमणे
कष्टाय क्रमणे
कर्मणोरो मन्थतपोभ्यां वर्तिचरोः
कर्मणोरो मन्ततपोभ्यां वर्तिचरोः
बाष्पोष्मभ्यामुद्वमने
बाष्पोष्माभ्यामुद्गमने
शब्दवैरकलहाभ्रकन्वमेघेभ्यः करणे
शब्दवैरकलहाब्रकम्बमिगेभ्यः करणे
सुखादिभ्यः कर्तृवेदनायाम्
सुखाद्यः कर्तृवेदनायाम्
जम्मोपरिवश्चित्रहत्य च
मोवरिवश्चित्रज्ञः च
पुच्छभाण्डचीवराणिम्
पुच्छभाण्डचीवरङ्गिङ्
मुण्डमिश्रश्लक्ष्टलवनव्रतवस्त्रालकलकृततोस्तेभ्यो णिच
मुण्डमिश्रश्लक्षणलवनव्रतवस्त्रहलकालकृततोस्तेभ्यो च
धातोरेकाचो हलादे क्रियासमविहारेयम्
धातोरेकाचोहलादेः क्रियासमभिहारेयम्
नित्यम् कौटिल्ये गतौ
नित्यं कौटिल्ये गताौ
लुपदचरजपजपदगदशगुरुभ्योर्घायाम्
लोपसदचरजपजपदः दशघ्रेभ्यो भावगार्हायाम्
सत्यापपाशरूपवीणातुलशोकसेनालोमत्वशवर्मवर्णचूर्णचुरादिभ्यो णिच
पत्यापपाशरूपवीणातुलिश्लोकसेनालोमत्वचवर्मवर्णचूर्णचुरादिभ्यो च
हेतुमति च
हेतुमति च
खण्ड्वादिभ्यो यक्
खण्ड्वादिभ्यो यक्
उपूधूपविच्छिपनिपनिभ्य आयः
उपोधुपविक्षिपणिपणिभ्य आयः
ऋतेरीयम्
रतेरीयं
कमेर्णिङ्
कमेर्निङ्
आयादय आदधातुके वा
आयादय आर्धधातुके वा
सनाद्यन्ता धातवः
नाद्यन्ताधातवः
शतासीलृटोः
तासीलृलोटोः
तिब्बकुलं लेटी
बहुलं लेटि
कास्प्रत्ययादाममन्त्रे लिटि
कास्प्रत्ययादाममन्त्रे लटि
यादेशु गुरुमतो नृत्यः
जादिश्च गुरुमतो नृच्छः
दयायासश्च
दयायासश्च
उषविदजाघृभ्योऽन्यतरस्याम्
उषविदजागृभ्योऽन्यतरस्याम्
ब्रीह्रीभृहुवां श्लवच्च
बीहृभ्रीहुवं श्लुवच्च
कृञ्चानुप्रयुज्यते लिटि
कृञ्चानुप्रयुज्यते लटि
विदां कुर्वन्त्वित्यन्यतरस्याम्
इदं कुर्वन्त्वित्यन्यतरस्याम्
अभ्युत्सादयां रचनायां चिकयां रमयामकः पावयां क्रियाद् विदामकरन्ति छन्दसि
अभ्युत्सादयां प्रजनयां चिकयां रमयामकः पावयां क्रियाद्विदमक्रन्निच्छन्दसि
श्लीलुङि
श्लेनुङि
श्लेघेसि च
क्लेहसि च
शलैकपदानिटहक्तः
शलैकपदानितः सः
श्लेषालिङ्गने
श्लिशालिङ्गने
न दृशः
नदृशः
निश्रीदृसृभ्यः कर्तरि चङ्
निःश्रीदृस्त्रुभ्यः कर्तरि छङ्
विभाषाधेक्ष्व्योः
भाषाधेतिक्ष्वयोः
गुपेश्छन्दसि
पेश्छन्दसि
नोनयति ध्वनयत्येलयर्दयतिभ्यः यर्दयतिभ्यः
नो नयति ध्वनयत्येतलत्यर्दयतिभ्यः
अस्यति वक्तिक्यादिभ्योऽङ्
अस्यति वक्तख्यादिभ्यो
लिपिसिचि ह्वश्च
पिसिचिह्वश्च
आत्मनेपदेष्वन्यतरस्याम्
आत्मनेपदेष्वन्यतरस्याम्
उषादिदितारुदितः परस्मैपदेषु
पुषादिद्युक्ताद् पुषादिद्युक्ताद् लरिद्युक्तः परस्मैपदेषु
सर्तिशास्त्यर्थिभ्यश्च
सर्तिशास्त्यर्थिभ्यश्च
ईदितो वा
ऋतो वा
Jru stambu mruchu mruchu gruchu gluchu glunchu shvibhyascha
Jre sthambo mruchu mluchu gruchu glunchu gluchu glunchu shvibhyascha
kru mru dru rukibhyaschandasi
Krimre dre hubhyascha ruhibhyaschandasi
chinte padaha
Shunte padaha
दीपजन बुधपूरिता यिप्यायिभ्योऽन्यतरस्याम्
Vipajana Buddha Puritai Pyai Bhyonyatrasyam
अचकर्म कर्तरि
Achakkarma Kartari
दोहश्च
Vishcha
नरुदः
Narudaha
तपोनुताप्ये च
Ponata Pecha
चिन्भावकर्मणोः
Bhavakarmanoho
सार्वधातुके यक्
Sarvadhatuke Yaka
कर्तरीशप्
Kartari Shap
दिवादिभ्यश्यन्
Divadbhyashyan
बाभ्राशब्लाशभ्रमुक्रमुक्लमुत्रसि त्रुटिलशः
Vabhrasha Blasha Brahmukramu Klamu Trasi Truti Lashaha
यशोनुपसर्गात्
Sonupasargat
तं यशश्च
Sanyasascha
स्वादिभ्यश्नुः
Adhyashnuhu
श्रुवश्रुच
Shrvashracha
अक्षोण्यतरस्याम्
Shonyatarasyam
तनूकरणे तक्षः
Tanukarane Takshaha
तुदादिभ्यश्यः
Dadbyashaha
रुधादिभ्यश्नम्
Pradadbyashnam
तनादिकृङ्भ्यः उः
Pranadikranbhyaha Uhu
धिन्विकृण्व्योरच
Krimvi
Dinvikrinbhyoracha
Vyoracha
करयादिभ्यश्ना
Pradadbyashna
Yadibhyasna
स्तम्भुस्तुम्भुस्कम्भुस्कुम्भ्यश्नश्च
Stambhu 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 Kumbhaskumbhyascha
Skumbhuskumbhuskumbhyascha
हलश्नश्चानजौ
Halashnashanajau
Halasnaschanajau
छन्दसि शायजपि
Chandasi
Chandasi
Shayajapi
Shayajapi
व्यत्ययो बहुलम्
Vyatyayo
Yatyayo
Bahulam
Bahulam
लिङ्ग्याशिष्यङ्
Nyashishyam
Nyashisham
कर्मवत्कर्मणा तुल्यक्रियः
Karmavat
Karmavat
Karmana
Karmana
Tulyakriyaha
Tulyakriyaha
तपस्तपः कर्मकस्यैव
Tapastapah
Tapastapah
Karmakasyeva
Karmakasyaiva
न दुःखस्नु नमाम्यक्षिणौ
Naduhasnu
Naduhasnunamam
Namamyakshina
कुशिरञ्जोः प्राचां शन् परस्मै पदं च
Kshiranjo
Kshiranjov
Prachan
Prachan
Shankarasmai
Shan Parasmai
Padancha
Padancha
धातोः
Dhatoho
Dhatoho
तत्रोपपदं सप्तमीस्थं
Patro Papadam
Tropapadam
Saptamistam
Saptamistham
कृदतिङ्
Kridatim
Kridating
वासरूपो स्त्रियाम्
Vasarupo
Vasarupo
Striyam
Striyam.
So we saw in the last class Iko Guna Vriddhi Paribhasha, right?
Yes.
It's called Iklakshana Vriddhi. Whenever Iklakshana Guna Vriddhi, whenever Guna and Vriddhi Adesha is ordained, there the sthani is understood to be Ik. Ik, the sthani may not be mentioned. Or sthani is not mentioned. Not sthani is not mentioned. Then we have to take the sthani to be Ik letter. And apavada to that is
Upasarga. No,
Upasarga.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, another thing.
Vriddhi, Iklakshana Vriddhi will not happen. See, Iklakshana Vriddhi happens for the equilator of what?
पूर्वपरयोः
Equilator of? No. No Purvapara business here. Iklakshana Vriddhi happens for Iklakshana Guna Vriddhi happens for not only Vriddhi, Guna Vriddhi happens for
Igletis when the
Anga. Igantasya Angasya. That is how we write, the Tadanta Vidya in Paribhasha. Ik Antasya Angasya Antima Varnasya Alontyasya Paribhasha, remember. Yenavadi Tadantasya as well as Alontyasya Paribhasha.
Yes.
Ikaha is qualifies the Anga. Angasya Anuvritti is there. When a pratyaya follows, Sarvadhatuka, Radhadhatuka pratyaya follows. The Anga, which is, whatever may be the Anga, could be a Dhatu or Dhatu plus Vikrana pratyaya, like in the case of Bu plus Shap, etc., Latlakara. Right? The Anga will take Guna, right? Or Vriddhi, whatever it is. Now, there only Sthani, when it is not mentioned, there we have to supply ik letter is a Sthani. Ikaha is Shashti, Angasya is Shashti. Anga is qualified by ik, because ik is a qualifier. Visheshanam. Therefore, anta, the word is added. Therefore, igantasya angasya. Anga ending with ik letter. The whole anga will be replaced by guna and vriddhi. No, meaningless. Right?
Yes.
If bu plus shap, the entire bu will be replaced by o.
No.
Then you will not have bhavati. You will have o plus avati you will get. Something else you will get, right? O will become o plus shap. O will become avati you will get. From Udhatu you will get avati, huh?
Yes.
You understand? Anga is
Yes.
what? Bakara plus U. Bu dhatu. Bu plus shap. Shap causes Anga karya. Shap is a pratyaya. Now Anga is Bu. Where is what is Sthani? Sthani is you have to supply ik letter by this paribhasha.
Yes.
So if guna is going to happen for the Bu, which is the Anga dhatu, it will happen for the ik letter. So therefore, ik letter, ikaha coming as anuvritti. Sorry, ikaha is understood, not anuvritti. Ikaha is understood because of this paribhasha. Now, ikaha angasya. Ikaha is shashti. That is sthani. Angasya also shashti vibhakti. Now, what is the connection? What is sambandha? What is the relationship between these two? Visheshana Visheshya. Visheshanam is equilater. Visheshya is qualifier is equilater. Qualified is anga. Angasya. So anga, which is therefore he say in Sanskrit, igantasya angasya. Anga which ends with ik letter. Now the whole anga will be replaced by guna. Bakara plus u, bu. No. Antyasya. Alagastane. Last letter of the anga which is u. That alone will be replaced by corresponding guna letter which is o, right? Then only you get bhavati. Otherwise, what will happen? The entire bu will be replaced by o, then you will have avati. So all the paribhasha is applied. We have to remember the paribhasha. We have seen, right? Enavadi tadantasya, alontasya, nicha, anekalcha sarvasya, adehe parasya. The paribhasha we have seen. Anyway, in the application we will see, but just reminding. Then that iklakshana guna vriddhi will not happen when the next sutra says what? Niticha. What is niticha? What vibhakti is that?
Saptami.
What vibhakti? Saptami.
Uh,
When the pratyaya, which is a git or kit or ngit follows. Pratyaya follows what? Anga, right?
yes.
So that which is in Saptami, therefore Anga must be located before that, immediately before that.
Before.
Tasmin iti nirdishte purvasya. That paribhasha also we have to understand. So Anga
Yes.
is located immediately before that, and sorry, the Sthani is located immediately before that. And what is the Sthani by this paribhasha? Ikaha. So Ikaha Sthane Gunaha Adesha Bhavati. And ik letter at the end of the Anga. So Igantasya Angasya Ikaha Sthane Gunadesha Bhavati. That's how we have to write. Igantasya Angasya Antima Varnasya Ikaha. Antima letter is ik letter, not any letter. Ik alone will take guna. Therefore, alone tesya that paribhasha, we have to change the al to ik letter. Igantasya angasya antima varnasya ikah sthane adeshah bhavati. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
You write the, suppose for example, I'm writing here. I will write here the Buddha, for example. Okay, here it will, anyway, we are going to do this sutra. It comes later. That time I will write it. Okay. Oh. So Niticha is dismissing ik lakshana guna vriddhi when the pratyaya is git, kit or git, right? We saw.
Yes.
Okay. This note is not required for us. This is those who, this is what the other students I wrote, not required for us. Don't worry. Now, Sutra Pata, if you see, Sutra Pata from the first sutra onwards, we have learned all, except the sutra, one sutra in between is that is not required now. Vriddhiradesh, Aden Gunaha, then what is next sutra?
Iko guna vriddhi.
Ika Guna Vriddhi, then
Dhatu loka arda dhatu ke.
Na Dhatu Lopa Dhatu Ke. Fourth sutra not required for us. Now, Niticha, that is what we are saying. Na coming as Anuvritti from the previous sutra. Okay, therefore, Niticha, na. Niticha negates. Negate, where is na? Na coming as Anuvritti from the fourth sutra. Okay.
Yes.
Not only four, it is goes up to next sutra also. Di Vevi Tam. That is not required for us anyway. I just wrote one line. Di Vevi is a dhatu. There is a dhatu, Diding. Waving. Second conjugation. The dhatu is. Na. Na is what? Iko guna vriddhi will not happen. Etesham ikaha sthane guna vriddhi na bhavataha adesho na bhavataha. Exception. Didi is there. Baby. Nakara is. What is the purpose of no, Nakara here? Nakara is for what purpose? We have seen. Anudatangitaha atmane padam.
Yes.
When the dhatu is a ngit dhatu or dhatu having the swara anudata, it letter. Dhatu having the it letter,
Yes.
anudata it letter, then it is atmane pada. We have seen, right?
Yes.
Anudatangitaha atmane padam. We have seen the dhatu pata, a lot of examples we have done. Dhatu which dhatu whose anudata whose H letter, Anunasika letter, Anunasika it letter. Anunasika must be it letter only. What else? Upadeshe Anunasika it. Having the swara Anudata will be Atmanepadam or Nita Dhatu will be Atmanepadam. See, Dhatus are Atmanepada. That is what, that is why Nakara as it letter is there. So Didi Dhatu and waving Dhatu. Now this Dhatu. Nakara is it letter. Content is Didi. Anekash Dhatu. These are some, there's only few dhatus which are anekash. Jagru dhatu, Didi, Vevi. Only few dhatus are the second conjugation. Only those dhatus are anekash dhatus. Dhatus having many vowels. Anekash mean you understand, right? Anekash meaning dhatu having more than one vowels. Generally, dhatu will have more than one vowels by nich pratyaya, etc. Right?
Yeah.
But there are some dhatus naturally there are more than one vowel. Only few dhatus are there, which are the second conjugation. Jagru, one dhatu. Didi, another dhatu. Beving, another dhatu. Only few dhatus are there. Fine. Anyway, anekash dhatu, and it is atmanepadi dhatu. Now when pratyaya comes, and sarvadhatuka or adhatuka, it will not cause angakarya. The E will not become A for both Didi and baby. This is an apavada. Na Didi. Not only the dhatu, tata it agama. It agama also. It agama also will not take Gunavriddhi Adesh. Didi, baby, then itam is there. It also. Three things are there. Didi is one dhatu, baby in another dhatu, and itam. It also. Itagama also. Na bhavati. Only that much you know. Context will come. That time you will see. You will not understand now. The next sutra is important. Then I will explain the vritti, how to write. Now, 7384. 7384, 7386. 7384 under what section? Our relevant section.
Angasya.
Very good. Angasya. Angasya is 641 up to 73. So sorry, 74 end.
And
Right?
yes.
So 7384.
97. 7497.
Yes. Till the end, right?
Yes.
Then 7384, we have the sutra, important sutra. Sarvadhatika adhadhatika yoho. One word. What vibhakti is that? Yoho.
Shashti.
Vivachanam.
Yes, Shashti. Okay, can it be Shashti? Pratyaya can be Shashti. In Anga section.
No.
Pratyaya replaced by another Pratyaya, then it can be Shashti. That could be in 3 section, 3rd chapter. Pratyaya replaced by another Pratyaya. That possible. That is in the 3rd section. If in this section, if Pratyaya is in Pratyaya, if you want to find a Pratyaya, whether Shashti or Saptami, it is Angasya Adhikara. So for Pratyaya has to be what? Pratyaya follows the Anga. Therefore, Pratyaya has to be Saptami.
Saptami. Yes.
Simple. So Pratyaya can be Shashti, but not here. In the 3rd chapter. 3rd chapter we have seen Pratyaya can be replaced by another Pratyaya. Like Lat Lakara, for example. Dhatu plus Lat. That is a Pratyaya. Can be replaced by Tip Pratyaya, Tip Tasdi, Ting Pratyayas, corresponding to Purusha and Vachana. Or other examples are there, we will see. But here it is, there's no doubt, if it's Sashti or Saptami, then it has to be Saptami only. Because Anga precedes Anga only will undergo Angakarya. So Sarvadhatika Adhadhatika Yoga means when a Sarvadhatika or Ardhatika Pratyaya follows what will happen? How do you say follow? Because Saptami Bhakti, therefore Tasminiti Nidishte Purvasya. What is a Purva? That is only Stani, yes. That only Angakarya will happen. Anga happens to be, and the Stani happens to be Anga. Now Anga may suppose if it is Anekash, then where the Angakarya will happen?
In the Ikla.
Therefore, yes. Here you can see Gunaha coming as Anuvritti, right? From the Sutra, Midir Gunaha. So when a Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya or Adhadhatuka Pratyaya follows, Guna will be the Adesha, where in the place of the Anga. Anga is which part of the Anga?
Ikla.
Now we have to bring the Paribhasha. Ikletter. Igantasya, Angasya, Antima Varnasya, Ikahastane. Anga ending with the ikletter. not the whole anga will be replaced. The last letter of the anga, which is the ik letter, will get gunadesha. That's how we have to very clearly, no doubt, you have to write it, say it. Igantasya angasya antima varnasya ikaha sthane. Sarvadhataka adhataka yoho pratyayoho parayoho punaha adeshaha bhavati. Follow.
Yes.
Same, simple. That's what sutra, we'll see with example. So now here, Sarvadhatukam, Adhadhatukam just says, but doesn't talk about Sarvadhatukam, Pitarapit. That is discussed separately. That is in the first chapter, second section, that we will see later. Now, yes, example we will take. Sarvadhatuke, Adhadhatuke, cha pratyaye pare. Igantasya angas, anga ending with ik letter. This is called Yena Vidhi Tadantasya by that Paribhasha. Ik letter, which is a Visheshana, adjective, we have to add the word Anta. So Anga ending with ik letter. Therefore, Igantasya Angasya. The Anga, whole Anga will not get the replacement. So we have to add here. Igantasya Angasya Antima Varnasya Ikahastane. Like that we have to write. Here I have not written because it is understood. Otherwise also, fine, we have to, it's better to write in the beginning. If you understand, then you need not write later. In the beginning, you have to write, you have to apply the paribhasha. Alone tasya paribhasha is applied. Gunadeshaha bhavati. Now take example. Example of tru. Tru is tarane, to cross over. Rukaranta dhatu. So tru plus shap, tru plus tip. What is the pratyaya? Tip is
Sarvadhatka pit.
sarvadhatuka pratyaya. What will happen? What is the next step? Tru dhatu belongs to first conjugation. Then
Yes.
Kartari.
very good. Yes.
Shap.
Yes.
So therefore, Kartari Sarvadhatake Shap. So Tip Pratyaya only in Kartari it is added, right? Not in Karmani. Karmani we add Atmanepada Pratyaya. Bhava Karmanoho Atmanepada. So therefore it is Kartari. Kartari Sarvadhatake Pratyaya Pare Dhatoho Paraha Shap will come. Pratyaha Parascha. Now by Angasya definition, you see how it is connected. Anga, what is the Anga for Shap? Yasmat pratyaya vidhi tadadi pratyaya angam. By that definition, is the anga for shap. Similarly, for tip, yasmat pratyaya vidhi tadadi pratyaya angam. By that definition, tru plus shap, it becomes the anga, right?
Yes.
Now, tru is rikaranta dhatu. What do you remember rikaranta dhatu means? Remember one rule? What?
Later.
Yes.
Yes.
Rutaha
Ritaha.
id dhatu. That sutra we have seen. Rikaranta dhatu will get what? Adadesha.
Guna.
It. Rukarant. Rutaha id dhatoho. That's what we saw in the beginning.
Yes.
Not here. It is in the preparation of the dhatu. In the beginning it is there. Rutaha id dhatoho. Right?
Yes.
See the
Yes.
list of dhatus. Sorry, list of pratyas in the Tinganta Sutrani 1. You have this Rutaha. Here it is beginning. Sutra 133, which we have seen. What is the number?
Yes. Yes.
What's the number?
71100.
7100, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So will it not, the R will become, will be replaced by what?
E.
E. Therefore, what you get? When E is replaced by E, then
Then it become Dirgha also.
no, Dirgha later.
Uh,
But
the
Urandra Paraha.
Purana Paraha. Yes.
Therefore, Tru will become
Tar.
what? Tru will become Tir.
Then,
Tir.
yes.
After that only, when you do become that Repa is there, then preceding when it is followed by a Hal or Repa at the end of the Padam, then this will become Dirgha, right?
Yes.
Understand? Now,
Understand.
here, Ritaha Idataha is not applied. Please watch. That's what I'm saying. That's an important point. Ritaha Idataha is not applied. What we apply? We apply this sutra. Sarvadatika Aradatika Yoga we apply. By that, what happens? The Tru, which is the Anga ending with the equal letter R, and therefore the R letter, the equal letter will get Adesha when followed by Sarvadatuka Pratyaya, Aradatuka Pratyaya. What Adesha?
Gunadesha.
Guna Adesha. Therefore, R will be replaced by what letter? Guna letter is.
Ar.
Ar.
Therefore, R comes. Therefore, Tar plus A, Tara. Tara is the Anga for Tip Pratyaya, right? Can Tip
Yes.
Pratyaya cause Anga Karya? Now, this is not Igantasya,
It
Angasya. This
can,
is not.
but can, but
Yeah, but here not equal letter, therefore no Anga Karya,
Yes.
therefore Tarati. Tarati Shokam Atmavita. Now the question is, you should ask, why are you not applying 7100? Why are you applying 7384? Why are you skipping that? Right?
Yes.
So this is when two sutras are, another paribhasha is which we will see later.
Oh,
When
correct.
two sutras are simultaneously applicable in a given context, okay, then which one you'll apply? Always you have to go by the later sutras.
Vipratishede Parankaryam.
Yes, Vipratishede Param Karyam. Did you talk about that before?
I don't remember.
Just mention.
When two sutras are we are not seeing the sutra, but
Yes. Just mention like that.
it is in the first chapter, fourth section, the second sutra. Akadarat Ekasanya, then Vipratishede Param Karyam. Please see. Second sutra 142. Vipratisheda means when there is a competition between the two sutras. Two sutras are simultaneously applicable in a given context, and they are not apavada. Please note, apavada means no problem, right? When two sutras are applicable and one is utsarga, other one is apavada, then what happens? Apavada is overrules, right?
Correct. Yes.
Yes.
But here it is Vipratishede means when two sutras having samana bala, same power, same strength. There is no utsarga apavada relationship. Then param karyam, param means the later sutra will be applied, not the first sutra, that not the sutra which are before. That is what Vipratishede. Understand? Vipratishedaha means Vipratisheda, the sutra having opposite. Uh, Vipratisheda means the opposite. Vipratishede, when they are opposed to each other, right? But they have got same power. Tulya bala. They got same strength. In Utsarga Apavada, they don't have same strength. Apavada is stronger. Please note, Apavada is stronger. That is why we always like Pururupa Sandhi is stronger than Ayadi Sandhi. There, Purvarupa is stronger. Understand? Or you can take the just letter, that is Sakara at the end of the Padam, stronger. Therefore, Uttam will apply, overruling Justom, because that is stronger. So there, in the case of Utsarga Pavada, no problem. One is stronger, other one is weaker. Whereas when both are equally strong, but opposed to each other, then always later sutras will apply. The sutra which comes later. When two sutras are the opposite and having equal force are applicable in a given context, the sutra which comes later finds applicability. We follow.
Follow.
Yes.
Yes.
Therefore, 7100 and 7384, which is a later sutra?
7100.
No, 7384, right?
Yes.
That
Ah,
overrules
yes.
7100. 7100 is Ruta Hiddatoho. That is
Yes.
overruled by 7384. That is why 7384 apply. Otherwise, what will happen by summon? Suppose if we apply 7100. So this becomes Tir. Tir plus Shap. Then Shap will cause T2. Upada later will become Te. Then Ter plus A. Then you will have Terati, Terataha, Teranti. Not Tarati.
Yes.
Problem. This is Tanishta Rupa. That is why we have this paribhasha. Tarati crossover, not Terati. Understand?
Yes.
Yes.
So 7100 is stronger. That has to be applied. Here also 7384 is stronger. Kshamitam. 7100 is weaker. 7384 is stronger. Therefore, that has to be applied. And here also we have to apply the repa comes because of Urandraparaha. R is replaced by Guna letter. Guna letter is A. Whenever R is replaced by An letter, what happened? Repa will be appended. Urandraparaha. That is another paribhasha. We have seen.
Yes.
That is why repa is there. Follow.
Follow.
Yes.
Yes.
Then similarly G plus Shatra. Shatranta. Now what is the next step you tell? Shatra, what type of pratyaya?
There is a this
Sarvada.
shab will come. Sarvadhatukam.
Sarvadhatuka. That's what important.
Yes.
Sarvadhatuka pratyaya. It is because Shit.
Sarvada. Kartari Shap.
When a Sarvadhatuka pratyaya follows, then Kartari
Shab.
Shap will come.
Yes.
Right? This is
Yes.
present participle. Shit pratyaya. Therefore Sarvadhatuka. So Shap will come. Now G is the anga for Shap. Yasmat pratyaya vidihi tadadi pratyayangam. And G plus Shap is the anga for At. Now,
Yes.
can Shab do anga karyam? Anga ending with what letter?
Equal. So it can do Angakar.
So by this sutra, Sarvadhatuka Adadhatuka Yogo, yes, Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya Pare, when Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya follows, Karyam, that is Stani, will be where? Before that. And what is the Stani? Anga is a Stani. Anga means the whole Anga is Stani? No.
No.
Anga ending with ik
Plus.
letter. By what paribhasha? Iko guna vriddhi.
Yes.
So, igantasya angasya ikagastane सार्वधातुक प्रत्यय परे गुणः आदेशः भवति. Therefore, G, that E will become
J.
J, A adesha. Now J plus I is Jaya. Jaya is followed by At. Can Angakarya happen?
No.
Can Shatru do Angakarya to J plus A, that is Jaya?
No.
Why?
There is no equator.
There is no equilateral, and also the pratyaya is
Apit.
Apit. That we will see later. Sarvadhatukam Apit also, like Nitya negates Angakarya. Understand?
Yes.
Yes.
This is example Sarvadhatuka Ardhatuka Yoho. Then that is 7384. 7385 is there in between. We are interested in 7386, but 7385 one sutra is there in between. That we will have a just quick look into it. We are not interested in that now. But the sutra, one sutra just in between. 7384 Sarvadhatuka Ardhatuka Yoho, 7386 Puganta Lagu Padasya, both are important. In between one sutra is there. Jagrobi Chin Nal Nitsu. Just we will see the superficial meaning. We will not see in depth. Not required now. Jagra iti etasya. Jagra is a dhatu. Jagra is dhatu. Jagrati. Jagrataha. Jagrati. Jagrataha. So the declension is like that. So Jagra iti etasya angasya gunaha bhavati when Abi Chinnal Gitsu Sarvadhatuka Ardhatuka Pratyayeshu Parataha. That is, when the Pratyaya, what the Pratyaya is Adadhatuka or Sarvadhatuka, which is Vi Chinnal Git Pratyaya Etesha Marjayitva, accepting the exception of these Pratyayas. Jagra will take Guna followed by Sarvadhatuka or Ardhatuka Pratyaya with the exception of Vi Chin Nal Nit Pratyayas. That much you know. We will see that when we see second conjugation in detail. Okay, that's why I said just general meaning only. Application we will see later. Now the next sutra which is important, 7386.
This is for one dhatu, Jagr?
Only one dhatu.
Oh, okay, understood.
Only one dhatu. This is rule is given. And we don't know what is we don't know what is chin, we don't know what is null, and git pratyas, that alone we know. And the pratyaya is a git pratyaya. So therefore, what do we do with this? Just to note the rule. We'll see when context will come. Okay. Now next sutra is here Lagu plus Upada. Purvaha, Upada. Penultimate, right? We are seeing.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Alantyat Purvaha Upada. What is Lagu? Rasvam Lagu.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Yes, in Sanyoge, Guru, Dirgham Cha. So Lagu is Rasva. Upada is penultimate. That is why he said Rasva Ik Upada. Remember? We'll take Anga.
Yes.
We'll take Guna. Angakarya happens. Guna Angakarya. And also Puganta. That is interesting. What is Puganta? Puk Anta. Puk is an Agama. Puk is an Agama. There are some dhatus, Akaranta dhatus, which will take Puk Agama when which Pratyaya follows. We will see that later. Puganta is Puki Antaha Pugantaha. Pugantasya as well Angasya as well as Raghu Padasya cha Ikastane Sarvadhatike Ardhatike Pratyaye Pare Gunaha Bhavati. We will see in detail. Don't worry. Equilater of Pantanga, Anga, which has got a Pukhagama, is called Pugantanga. Anga, which has got the Agama Puk, is called Pugantanga. So, equilater of the Pugantanga, and Ik, and that Ik is the Lagu Upada, not under Ik. And another thing is, if Lagu Upada is equilater, then it will take Guna when Sarvadhatuka or Dhatuka Pratyaya follows. See, here two things are there. One is Pugantasya, other one is Lagu Upadasya. Two things are there, please note. So Pugantasya, Angasya, Ikarasthane, Sarvadhatuka, Adhatuka Pratyaya Gunaha Bhavati. This is number one. Similarly, Lagu Upadasya, Ikarasthane, सार्वधातुके आर्धधातुके प्रत्यये परः गुणः भवति. Two things are there. We'll see example for both. Now Lagu Pada example. Lagu is Rasva, Upada is penultimate. Now Bid plus Lut. Suppose if we take Lut Pratyaya is replaced by Ana. Lut is a what type of Pratyaya? Tell me. Sarvadhatukam or Ardhadhatukam?
Ardhadhatu.
Ardhadhatuka Pratyaya. Like we have the words Patanam, Kadanam, Gamanam, Chintanam, Darshanam, Sparshanam, Nayanam, etc. Right?
Yes.
All these are forms are derived by this adding this pratyaya, lut pratyaya. The content is, what is the content of the pratyaya? Live.
Live.
You. Alante with lakara is hit by lashakva taddite. Right?
Yes.
Yes.
Therefore, content is you. With plus you. Then what happens? There is another rule is that. By that, your anaka, you will be replaced by ana. One rule is that. And who will be replaced by aka. That's another rule. Therefore, you will be replaced by ana. So therefore, bid plus ana. Yeah, bid plus ana. I write here almost. Bid plus ana. Okay, ana is a pratyaya. Adhaduka pratyaya, not a git or kit or ngit. Therefore, can cause anga karya. In anga, what is there? We have.
Yavani.
It is not iganta anga.
But
Not iganta anga, but lagu pada is.
Lagu
Pada.
pada.
Lagupada.
Lagu padasya angasya ikahastane. We have to apply the paribhasha. Iko guna vriddhi. Lagu padasya angasya ikahastane sarvadhatuke adhadhatuke chapare pratyaya pare gunaha adeshaha bhavati. Therefore, anga having penultimate letter lagu pada, that will take guna and followed by pratyaya. Therefore, bid become bedana, you get. Krish will become
Karsh.
Krish will become
Karsh.
Karsh.
yes. Krish is first conjugation. Krish plus tip. Shap will come. Krish plus tip. Then Krish is the anga for shap. Krish plus shap is the anga for tip. By the sutra, Yasmat Prativitadadi Pratyayangam. Now, Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya follows. Now, the anga is having Lagu Pada. Therefore, Lagu Padasya Angasya Ikaha, right? Ikaha Stane. That's the equilater. Adesha Bhavati. Therefore, Karsh comes Karsha, right?
Yes.
Karsha plus tip. Here we cannot apply the paribhasha, therefore, ja karshati. Understand?
Yes.
If the final letter of the anga and the first letter of the following pratyaya form a conjunct, okay, this we'll see later. Okay, I think we'll stop here. I've got class now 2:45, 2:30 now. So
Sure.
this point I will explain in the next class. This one. Puganta also example we'll see. Okay, we'll stop here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha. Thank you so much.
Thank you.